Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Etsy. To change your language on Etsy, first of all open up a web browser on a device and in the search bar type in etsy.com and search. Once you do that, you will come across the home page of Etsy. Log into your account like you normally do, and from the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Account Settings. Once you do that, from your Account Settings page, scroll down and tap on the Language drop-down. From the list of languages available, select a different one, and then click on Save Settings. Soon after you do that, you will see your language change take effect immediately. You can always repeat this step if you ever want to change to a different language setting. So that is how you easily change your language setting in Etsy.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.